So the remaining of the stuff, there's 2 boxes that still have stuff in here. These are all empty. These are empty. The Ganirelix is empty. These are extra needles and extra bibs. And so I just was going to put them in this box and close it on up, you know, just to have to the side, okay? So here is how I decided to organize everything. So on the bottom, I have the Gano. I cut it off the tab. I cut the tab off so I can have memory. You know, there's three of these. I didn't know if the medicine matched over, as I already explained, so I labeled them. Here's the needles for this, because you have to do some science stuff. You will see that later. These are the low dose. Can y'all see how empty those things look? They are so empty. Here is the estradiol. These are the pills. So yeah. Oh, actually, I just remembered. I'm supposed to take. You guys, I have like a little medicine box up here. It's like a little lock on here too, for safety and stuff. Especially if you have like little kiddos and stuff right there. Has like a little code and stuff. I forgot. Oh, these are doxycycline. You have to take doxycycline after you do the egg retrieval. So let me put those in here. Let me go ahead and put these doxycyclines in here. These are some bibs, because you know I like to just be clean and organized. And then so up here we have some galls, some alcohol pads. We have a good amount of alcohol pads. This is the Leuprolol injection. Here are all the little needles. These are insulin needles. This is the only shot that shouldn't hurt, because these needles are super thin. This is the Ganirelix. Oopsie. Can you see? Got it? And these are all of those. So yeah, so I just wanted to make sure I had the labels in there. This is the progesterone oil. This is a thick old needle, and these are extra needles that came with it. I don't know if I showed you guys this liquid, this oil. I think did I open it? No.
Damn boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy.
So that, it comes in those. You get 3 of those. We're gonna keep those in a box because those are glass. We don't want to risk anything. These are the progesterone vaginal inserts. I will start using these after the retrieval. I believe it's like 48 hours off. I don't know. I will update the information once I get it, but yeah. And here are the little depositories that you're supposed to put them in. Let me show you how they look. I'm not gonna open it because they're in this like tablet. They're like this. So they're in here. This is a lot. It says you still use these even when all the way until the pregnancy is had. So I don't know how I'm gonna feel about putting something inside me. And then here goes the Menopur. So this came in a box. These 2 came together, and then this came together. And here are the syringes for that one. And that is everything. There is one more thing, and that is the actual trigger shot, which is in the refrigerator. That stays refrigerated. There's only one medication that is refrigerated out of all of this. And yeah, so this is how dang girl, stop. You all shaky and stuff. Jeez. Hold on, y'all. Let me take this thing off. Okay. So there we go. And yeah, so I'm just gonna put all of this stuff to the side. And yeah. Okie dokie, guys. So this is how I have everything organized. I have my hand sanitizer. This is the disposal box. It's open. There's I've been trying to practice on how it's supposed to be safe, so it's just open right now. There's nothing in there. Medications, and then I'm going to leave this slot open. I'm gonna put some papers and stuff right there. And yeah, so I have these little bibs, so when it's time to take the shot, I'm gonna open it up, lay it here, lay all my stuff on top, and just make sure I'm organized and stuff, and my things aren't everywhere getting infected, spreading germs. So yeah, that's how it looks. And then also, once I finish using these for this, I could repurpose this, you know, for, I don't know what I'll repurpose it for, but it'll be for something. And yeah, so I got these from Amazon. I will put it in the description for you guys, so you guys can know. These two came together and it was like $24. So I think that was a good deal. You can find them cheaper, but I'm impatient. I needed them the next day. Okay, you guys.